Hi. Have you ever opened up your Floriani Total Control software and thought, there's so much to learn and I have no idea where to even begin? Well, my name is Laurie LaGrange, and I am going to be hosting a virtual hands-on software class at Sewing and Vacuum Warehouse on Saturday, April 20th. I think this will be a great class for you to come to, and this is the little project that we're going to make in the hoop. We're going to actually be digitizing this part in the software, but you're going to learn some great techniques. I'm going to show you how to make your own fringe in the software. We're going to do appliques and create our own mylar stitches there, and then we're also going to do some fun drawing techniques, and I have a 2-minute challenge for you. And then we're also going to be working with some text. And so even if you're somebody who feels completely intimidated by the software, I want you to know that you can do this class because I am going to walk you through step by step, and I'm going to show you how and why we do what we do to make these things work. Plus, you're going to understand the fundamentals of creating your own in the hoop projects. So I hope you'll join me Saturday, April 20th at Sewing and Vacuum Warehouse. You'll be there in person, bring your laptops, and I'll see you on the big screen.